Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a scenic drive along the Salmonia Line, also known as Route 90, which stretches about 88 kilometers on Newfoundland's Avalon Peninsula. This picturesque route connects the communities along the eastern side of St. Mary's Bay with the Trans-Canada Highway and Holyrood. Our journey begins in New Bridge, a small settlement in Newfoundland and Labrador. New Bridge is part of the local service district and designated place known as Forestfield New Bridge. As we drive along the Salmonia Line, we're surrounded by Newfoundland's characteristic boreal forests. These forests are primarily composed of coniferous trees like black spruce and balsam fir, intermixed with hardwoods such as birch and aspen. The cool, moist climate contributes to the lush greenery that defines this landscape.
Thank you very much.
The route also takes us through several small communities that embody Newfoundland's rich cultural heritage. Each town along the way has its own unique charm and history, reflecting the enduring spirit of the island's inhabitants. Our drive concludes in Forestfield, which, along with New Bridge, forms the local service district of Forestfield New Bridge. This area is characterized by its rural setting, offering a peaceful retreat amidst Newfoundland's natural beauty. The community's small population contributes to a close-knit atmosphere, where residents often engage in outdoor activities such as fishing, hiking, and berry picking. Driving through this region, one can't help but appreciate the tranquility and Newfoundland's Avalon Peninsula. The Salmonia Line offers a delightful journey through forests and communities that showcase the island's natural and cultural richness.
Thanks for watching!